Hey guys, I am Richa Mundhra for all those who are new here, and I make videos on travel, lifestyle, fashion and so much more. So it would mean a lot to me if you hit that subscribe button right here and join the fam. So you all know this is like the Black Friday month and there's a lot of sales going on everywhere. So I got a chance and I splurged on Nykaa's Hot Pink sale. The Nykaa Hot Pink sale started from 26th of November and is going on till 30th of December, so you still have 2 days for shopping. I went ahead and ordered a lot of stuff. Hold on, just a second. A lot of stuff. Yeah, and I'm gonna go one by one and tell you what these are, and and I'm gonna go one by one and tell you what these are. These are all essential items that I use on a daily basis. I love them, and seeing them on discount means extra shopping, definitely. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first set of products that I got are from Bath and Body Works. Just a disclaimer, I don't remember the prices of मतलब मैंने कब क्या कितने में खरीदा है ये मुझे exactly पता नहीं है. So but as and when the like I'll keep telling you the brands. तो जब वो brands आती जाएगी तो उसमें क्या offer चल रहा है I'll leave them here so that you get a hands on. So I think Bath and Body Works का जो offer that I remember is buy 2 get 1. So I went ahead and get a whole lot of like these products. I love them and I love them so much. So I'll tell you one by one. So Bath and Body Works अगर आप लोग को पता होगा तो वो ऐसे एक रेंज के प्रोडक्ट्स बनाते हैं, मतलब एक सेंट का हर चीज़ होता है. And that is really good because then your body and you keep smelling of that one thing the whole day if you use the products from the same line, which is a good fragrance, you know, to be remembered from. So I went ahead and I got a bunch of products from the range called 1000 Wishes. I love the 1000 Wishes mist. I think 2 already used, 1 running, so I love that. And this time I went ahead and got, the first thing that I got is the body wash. This one is the moisturizing body wash with shea butter and cocoa butter, and all of the Bath and Body Works products smell so good. So the first one is the body wash. The next one that I got is the body scrub. So the body scrub that Bath and Body Works has, one, they are very cute in color, first thing. Secondly, they're very mild and they're very soft. They have really small granular particles, but they help with the cleaning. So you're good to go. So yeah, so I love them. I have used the sugar one to the most. Like मेरे को मन कर रहा था उसके अंदर पानी डाल के भी अगर कहीं से वो स्क्रब निकल सकता है तो it leaves your skin so smooth and so soft. I love them. The next thing that I got is obviously, okay, first let's go to the shower gel and then come to the after bath. So this one is the shower gel from Bath and Body Works. And this again, as I told you, I got everything from the same range. So this again is from the 1000 Wishes. One disclaimer, they don't stay on for like very long, like the fragrance does not stay on for very long, but if you if you top up with everything, the 1000 Wishes smell stays on for around say like 5-6 hours or more in fact. So I am good with that, and abhi to work from home hi hai to you're always smelling good. Okay, and the last thing that I got from Bath and Body Works is their cream. This one is the Ultra Shea Body Cream, and this one also smells amazing, very nourishing on the body and very soft. So this one is all, like these are all my purchases from Bath and Body Works. I know this video might be long, but hold on, कभी-कभी shopping करे तो मज़ा तो आता है. Okay, the next product that I got is one more very essential item. It's a Himalaya Neem face wash. I have raved about this product. I have acne prone skin and this product works wonders on them. So मैंने इस बार काफ़ी बड़ी बॉटल खरीद ली है. This MRP is 350, जो ऑफर चल रहा होगा. I list it here, but the MRP is 350, and but this product is amazing. I love this product. I have used it since several years, and there's no raving about it. Affordable category में acne prone skin के लिए this is the best face wash. The next brand that I purchased was from Mamaearth. You know I love this brand. This brand is amazing. It's cruelty free, so more of the reason to get into this brand. And the products that I have got, like I repurchased, are everything that I have used, loved, posted stories on my Instagram, and loved it. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead, follow me on Instagram as well. I post a lot of reviews there. So the first thing that I got is the Mamaearth micellar water. This is their foaming micellar water for makeup removal. I have spoken about this so much in all of my YouTube videos and also on Instagram. This is a gift. It removes dark to dark lipsticks, it removes mascaras, it removes your foundation, and it is so smooth. You don't need a brush, you don't need a cotton pad, you don't need another cloth to remove your makeup. Just use this, wipe it on your face, and you're good to go. The next thing that I got is their argan hair mask. So Mamaearth's hair masks have been one of my favorite hair masks. Like these were the initial hair masks जो मैंने use करना start किए थे अपने बालों पे. And if you get a hang of it, if it suits your hair, you're gonna love it and you'll not go back to anything else, like anything else. So this one is the mask that I used to use about once in 2 weeks. उसके बाद जब मैं हैदराबाद में थी तो I used to use it for a longer time. जब मैं रायपुर आई तो I stopped using it. फिर ये ख़त्म हो गया and I never repurchased it. But this was a good time. Sales are always good time to purchase on those products that you stop purchasing. So this one is a must buy from my side. And the third one, I don't think even I need to speak about it. I think Mamaearth ka C3 face mask is their best selling product. It contains charcoal, coffee and clay, all those good ingredients that you need for your face, and this mask is good to go. You can use it twice a week. Like I used to use it twice a week, and मैं इसको तब से use कर रही हूँ जब इसकी packaging पहले दूसरी वाली थी, like the older one. This is I think the second or third packaging, and I've been using it so much. So love it. All the offers will be listed here, so you know, and I'll leave all the links in the description box so that if you want to go and buy, you still have 2 days for the sale and you can go ahead and buy them. Okay, the next product that I've heard about a lot, this is something that I've not used but I've heard about a lot, is the McCaffeine coffee scrub. This product has been raved about completely, but this is coffee scrub and coffee products do good on my skin, hence I went ahead for this. And McCaffeine is something that I've used, like their body scrubs and face washes is something that I have already used. So I know that the brand is good. So yeah, this one is a purchase. Like it's a good steal, yaar. ये बहुत मतलब this can be used for normal to oily skin. It has vitamin E, which nourishes your skin, and it's a very gentle scrub. It's not that harsh scrub जो आपकी skin को पूरे उसके natural oil से हटा देगा. So this is a very natural scrub, and you should go ahead for this. So if you know that I am a fan of mask, you know that I love this one. This one is that one mask जो आपकी skin को instantly light up कर देता है from a dull day. So that is what I love about this. Like I love about this. इसलिए I always use the Nykaa Go for Glow. This is the Insta Glow face mask. I know glowing skin like has a lot of norms attached to it, but कभी-कभी होता है that you just have to go somewhere and you need that like 5 minutes. So this is the peel off kind of mask. You just and that peel off में जो सुकून है ना, समझा नहीं सकती मैं उसको. So yeah, a purchase from my side. And we are down to like we're down to few last products, and this one is from a non-affordable category, but I have heard about this so much. I've used the mini bottle so much. So इस बार जब discount में आया, I had to buy it. So this one is the Estee Lauder ANR, if you know the terms. So this one is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, and this is for all skin types, and this is for repairing your skin from all the impurities, from all the damages that it has during, you know, you apply it during the night time. I also started applying it during the daytime, and it worked like really amazingly for me. तो ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि night के लिए, but I don't know इसका नाम क्यों है, but this is not from an affordable category. This one bottle, I think this is for 20 ml, and इसका MRP is 3900, so close to 4000 for 20 ml. मैंने इसका छोटू वाला ट्रायल वाला सैम्पल यूज़ किया था, but this goes for long, this goes for super long time. तो इसलिए मुझे अच्छा लगा, इसलिए I got this one because this was on discount. Discounts, as I mentioned, यहाँ पे सारे रहेंगे. The last thing that I've already spoken about, and a lot of YouTubers have already spoken about, is this So this is the last item that I got. This is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. This is infused with blend of 6 flower extract oils. And मुझे इसके बारे में बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. A lot of YouTubers have already claimed this to be like world's #1 hair serum. तो मैं इसको नहीं बताऊंगी. But this is the second bottle that I'm getting. I've been loving it. मुझे first वाली bottle एक Bata collaboration से मिली थी, but I love the product and this is the second I'm getting. So yeah. So that's it for today's video. सेल में अभी भी 2 दिन बाकी हैं. मैं सारी डिस्काउंट्स यहाँ लिंक कर देती हूँ. मैं यहाँ पे ऐसे लाइन से लिख दूँगी. You should go ahead and buy all of these products. और भी बहुत सारे डिस्काउंट्स हैं. और ये वीडियो बिल्कुल स्पॉन्सर्ड नहीं है. मुझे नायका से अभी तक कोई एफिलिएशन नहीं मिला है. नायका को प्लीज़ टैग कर दो यार मेरी स्टोरीज़ में और उनको बोलो कि मुझे एफिलिएशन दे दे. इतनी शॉपिंग मैं नायका से करती हूँ ना कि मेरी मम्मी भी परेशान है अब. But anyways, that was to the end of this video. Also next month, मतलब next 5 videos, क्योंकि Christmas month है and क्योंकि it's month of holidays, fun, festivities and so much more, the next 5 videos are gonna be some super fun challenges, like next 5 Sunday videos. मैं बीच में कुछ और shorts डालती हूँ. If you're not doing it, why don't you watch them यार. Please जाओ bell notification on करो ताकि whenever I upload you get a notification. So the next 5 videos are gonna be challenges with a lot of people around me. So if you wanna be one of them, you can comment down and we can do a challenge together. So yeah, till then, please share the video. And also one more thing, अगर आप लोग की शादी आ रही है, these are necessities जो आपको खरीदनी चाहिए. तो if you getting married, this is the right time to go on to Nykaa and put them in your cart, in the pink small little cute cart, and you're shopping. Until next time, bye.